Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove limescale from the back and side walls off your toilet. So you can see here we have a build up on the back here. So I'm going to show you a little trick you can use to get rid of that. So let's mix up some limescale remover, then I'll show you the trick. Here we have the multi-purpose descaler Pro Clean made from formic acid, and you've got to mix this 1 part this to 8 parts water. Now when you're doing this you must use gloves. We're going to be using 50 millilitres of the descaler and 400 millilitres of water. Now the trick is to simply get some toilet paper and then dip it in there and stick it to the back and leave it for quite a while. Obviously take care, don't splash it everywhere, make sure you don't get it in your eyes. And the reason this trick is good is because normally when you pour it on there, most of it just runs straight off, or you're trying to use the toilet brush to agitate it around there. But this will actually make the chemical work on the limescale. Now when you do get the cleaners, they do say they cling to the bowl, but they're not going to cling as well as that. This video is about cleaning the back here, but let's say if you had a tide mark where the water level has been sat for a long time, then what you could do is you could get a cup, you could take out some water to lower that level down, and then you could put tissue around the tide mark and that will clean it. Now if you've got a load of limescale at the very bottom, then what you could do is you could take out all the water with a cup, and then you could get some brick acid like patio cleaner, but it's very strong stuff, so make sure you dilute it a bit and keep an eye on it. Don't leave it down there too long, but that should help remove the stains from the bottom. You may find that a few smells come up from the sewer because you've removed most of the water from there, but at least it will clean the bottom up. Right, so there we have it. Lost a few bits down there. We're going to come back in a couple of hours now and make sure that nobody flushes the toilet. Hopefully it will be cleaner. So there we have it, the toilet tissue is still on there. It's been about 3 hours later, so we're going to peel it away now and see if it makes any difference. If there was loads of toilet tissue there, you might not want to flush it in one go, but there's not that much there. So we're going to give it a flush and we're going to see if it's cleaned it. Well, it's definitely better, but there's still a bit left behind there. The marks you see there are actually scrape marks on the porcelain itself, so the limescale is not going to remove it if it's fully scraped, but you can see that it's cleaner than it was for very little effort. So if you've got the same problem, you can try the toilet tissue, and that way then the reaction is going to last longer against the limescale rather than just squirting stuff around the place, because although some of it will stick, most of it will just run straight down. So it's a nice little tip. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.